How to put reels on Instagram story. Now let's go to the reel page right here. And I can just scroll to this page right here. And let's say I want to share this reel on my Instagram story. So for me to do that, all I have to do is to click on the share button right here and click on add to story. Now, once I added this to my story, I can customize it to however I want it to be. I can add music to it. I can also add stickers such as my location, mention someone, or I can also create a poll on this reel. I can add text to this reel in order for me to customize it. And if I want to share this reel on my story, all I have to do is to click on this button and share this to my story. Now, once that's done, all you have to do is to go back to your Instagram feed and you will be able to see that reel on your Instagram story. However, if you want to add your own reel to your Instagram story, all you have to do is to go to your profile icon, scroll down and tap on reels. Now, let's say I want to add this reel specifically to my Instagram story. All I have to do is to go to this airplane button right here and click on add to story. Now I can customize it, add filters to it, and I can just share it to my story. So that's how to put reels on Instagram story. Hope we help.